So dear students, we will start with AC generator. AC generator is an electrical device which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Working principle of an AC generator. Working principle of an AC generator is electromagnetic induction, which state that when there is a relative motion between magnet and a coil, the induced EMF is come into existence or electric current is induced in the coil. Parts of an AC generator. First of all, we have an armature ABCD, which is wound over a soft iron core having n number of turns and rectangular in shape. And there is a shaft which is to rotate, and field magnet, permanent magnet, north and south in the concave shape. Two slip ring S1 and S2 with brushes B1 and B2. These brushes connect the slip ring to the load or to the galvanometer. Working of an AC generator. Now, when ABCD or when the armature is rotated, magnetic flux linked with the armature changes, and which induce an EMF which is detected by galvanometer. As the direction of current is minimum to maximum on both sides, so it shows there is a current known as alternating current. Direction of induced EMF. When ABCD is in the vertical direction with the magnet and magnetic field ABCD, no current is flow. But as there is no change in the magnetic flux. But when they rotate half cycle like of yes, now magnetic flux is changes and AB portion goes down and CD portion is in the above direction. Now applying Fleming's left hand or right hand rule, you will find out the direction as well as direction of current. Now the direction of current is from DCBA. DCBA means from B1 to B2. It is very much clear with the animation from B1 to B2. Now when the ABCD is in the upward direction, again apply Fleming's right hand rule. Now the current is, the direction of current is opposite, that is from ABCD, from brush B2 to B1. The direction of current is from B2 to B1. So from maximum to the minimum value. Graphical representation. For the graphical representation, consider at any time t is equal to 0, the position is vertical. So at time t is equal to 0, when position is vertical, no current is flow through the coil. As there is no current flow, so point is 0. The induced current is 0 as there is no change in magnetic flux. But when we rotate the armature, current start flowing from 0 to the maximum value like of that. Please look at graph just like this and attain a maximum value or attain a saturation point. This depends on the maximum change in magnetic flux. And after that, when magnetic flux changes from maximum to minimum, the induced current also changes from maximum to minimum, and it comes back to the 0. and for the other half it attain the minimum value when we further rotate the armature. And for the another half cycle, the needle of galvanometer again come to 0 point. So this is how an AC generator work, as it gives you sinusoidal wave which is same as that of the sine wave. Please note down these 4 points which is useful for the 1 mark question.